You win. Perfect.
Welcome to Kings of Pizza, episode 2. I'm Josh.
I'm Peter.
And this is the what pizza?
Barbecue chicken.
Ooh, I like the sound of that. What's like?
I have good hopes.
Is it barbecue chicken?
It is. Chicken, obviously. Barbecue, obviously. Peppers and onions.
Not a fan of peppers.
Not a fan of onions, so
mixed bag here.
I'm hoping.
Let's go for this. Go get the first slice. Alright.
Let's go.
Cheers. You can definitely taste the onion.
Oh yeah.
Mmm. I'm not even doing it, I'm just enjoying this.
I'm not sure. I like the chicken.
Oh. Too much.
I don't know if it's the peppers or the onions. It's confusing me.
Like, not a fan of peppers, but I can't taste them. So that is very cheesy, first of all. Chicken, obviously, tastes like. Can't taste the barbecue more or less, though. Like,
It's only just very small barbecue.
it's not like, you know, you get other pizzas that have barbecue on them. Well, you can taste the barbecue. This is like,
Yeah,
it's there, but maybe like you say, too much peppers and too much onion. But yeah, what would you rate as this pizza?
I'd say this is like a 4 maybe, like 3-4.
See, I was going to go 3.5. It's better than the last one,
Yeah, definitely.
but still got to give room for that 4 and 5.
Because they're just top. But it confuses me.
Right, this has been Kings of Pizza. See you in the next episode.
Bye.
It's like, oh, this is nice. Slapped with an onion or slapped with a pepper.